In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use AI to write emails in Mailchimp. So first, of course, log into your Mailchimp account, then click on Create Email. Next, select a way on how do you want to design your email so you can opt for basic layout or start from scratch or with a fully designed template. Now, once inside your editor, select the text block where you want AI generated content and click on it. Then next in a new tab, head over and go to an AI tool like ChatGPT and type in a prompt like write a friendly welcome email for new subscribers for my online store. Then press enter. AI will then instantly draft an email for you, and all you have to do is copy it. And of course, make sure that you remove these fields and replace it in your text block. Make sure that you review the text and make edits as needed to match your brand voice. And once your email content looks good, make sure that you add images, links, and buttons as well. Then click on the preview button to preview your email. And once done, first save this template. So click on Save and Exit. And lastly, click on the Send button. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!